We do about everything you can do with a piece of metal, we can do it here. Some of our products go into the mining industry. Some of it go into car parts, and a lot of it goes into the racking industry. So in 1998, we tore all the pickle tanks out, got rid of those, and we had a pit where the pickle tanks were in, and we used that as a foundation for a slitter. And we put in a slitter, and what a slitter does is a slitter takes a solid piece of coil, the knives are close together, and as it goes through there, it cuts them in. We can take a raw coil, slit it, level it, shear it, put on a laser machine and make parts. Or after it's slit, we can put it in presses and stamp out parts with it like that. We build everything ourselves, maintain everything ourselves, and that's what keeps us going and above board. This is our inspection department, and when a part gets made, it's brought in here and it's put on this CMM machine.
I just place it up here first thing, make sure it's not rocking. That means it's flat. And out of memory, I remember where all my points need to be. And I have one bad hit because it's saying that this part is out, but actually it's not. But yeah, it's a pretty simple process.
You need somebody that's willing to learn, wants to come to work every day. It's better if they have a little bit of mechanical aptitude and they know how to measure. And biggest thing, I guess, if they want to learn, we can teach them about anything. We cross-train everybody. He can run a press. He learned how to run the leveler. So they all learn how to drive tow motor. They all learn how to run a crane. So everybody does a little bit of everything, and you don't get bored.
Everything we do here is pretty much on-the-job training, so we learn all the processes from start to finish.
Math is a big figure in this job.
My favorite part of the job is seeing the finished product, from a big coiled up roll of steel to a finished part that gets used for all various things, from shelving to racing parts to trailer parts, you name it.